Sure, my name is Larry, and I was just having a normal day and going over to my shop, and I stopped at a stop sign, like four vehicles back, and it was just a June day, beautiful day, and I was out looking, just as traffic, waiting for traffic to move, and next thing, just without any warning, no screeching tires, anything, this gal just drove right into the back of my truck, and I actually knew I was hurt immediately, and it took me, 2 or 3 minutes to gather myself and be able to get out of my truck, to open the door and slide out. I couldn't move my head or my neck or my upper back, but I thought, I better check on whoever hit me from behind. They could be dead. And I went back there, and it was a young college-age gal, and I asked her if she was okay, and she replied that she was. And she said she was looking for her cell phone on the floor of her car. She said, I knew traffic was stopped, but I thought I had more time than that. And she just drove right into me. I think the speed limit there is 30 miles an hour. She just drove right into the back of my one-ton work truck, and even with my foot on the brake, she launched my truck about 3 feet ahead, and it totally just tacoed the front of her car. I had to kind of slide down, using the side of the seat for friction and holding onto the door, just to get out of the truck. I knew I was hurt, and I couldn't turn my head, and I could just feel it all the way from midway up my back, all the way up through my neck, through my shoulder and arm, and then all the way up into this part of my head. Well, when I called my insurance company and that, they were, everybody's just kind of blasé about it, and I knew I was hurt. And just being at the ER, I'm laying there, and they're doing a CAT scan and an MRI or whatever they're doing in that big machine, and X-rays, and had a lot of people in the room attending to me, and I'm just laying there, just seeing just dollar bills just racking up, and I'd seen your commercials on TV, and I never really paid attention to the commercial because, to be honest with you, and I'm gonna be really candid, I just thought, oh, it's just kind of an ambulance chaser kind of a thing, and so I talked to my wife, and she said, well, you better call. I'm not, the thing is with the insurance company. They're like your best friend when you're getting your policy, but within I'd say 2 weeks of the accident, the insurance company also carries my homeowner's insurance and also carries my business insurance, and I've been with them for, at that time, 8 years. All of a sudden they're auditing my business, and then to follow up with that, I got a cancellation on my homeowner's insurance because I have chickens, and we added on to my insurance in case one of my chickens somehow got loose and caused an accident. They sent somebody to my home to get the details from the accident, and he was probably there 45 minutes to an hour, and then decided, yes, that they will take the case, and then from there it was assigned to an attorney, and then the person that I'm in contact with is Robin, and she's collected all the information. I mean, I had a lot of anxiety about the bills, about how do I do this, how do I do that, and I can't say enough good things about Robin. She has taken all the pressure off of me. She's handling all the medical bills, all of the appointments, making sure that my insurance company and the insurance company of the gal that hit me, making sure that they follow through and take care of things like they should, honestly, on their own. And I hate to say anything bad about anybody. They're not going to do anything. The insurance company isn't going to do anything unless somebody's motivating them to do their job. The things that I pay them to do, they're not just going to do it unless I have somebody like Robin that makes them do their job, makes them do what they're supposed to do. It's all in black and white in my policy. if this happens, we will do this, we will do that. Don't believe that for a second. They'll do it, but not till you make them do it. Call Craig Swapp. Just call them. They're polite, they're thorough, they're efficient, and they will do all of the work for you. And without having them on your side, the insurance company is just going to bully you until you give up. Don't give up. Just don't give up. Just call and get somebody to represent you that has experience doing that. The insurance companies are not on your side. The only time they're on your side is when they're selling you a policy and collecting the premiums. They are not on your side.